Tools and equipment for baking. Producing high-quality baked products requires the selection of right tools and equipment. It is important to utilize each tool and equipment properly to produce desirable and standard result. Here are the 5 classifications of baking tools and equipment. Measuring tools help in measuring baking ingredients accurately. Bakewares are used to cut and shape ingredients and baked products. Mixing tools are used to evenly combine and disperse 2 or more ingredients. Cutting tools are used to cut and shape ingredients and baked products. Miscellaneous tools are intended for particular purposes that plays vital roles in baking. Examples of measuring tools. Measuring spoons are used to measure small volumes of ingredients. Measuring cups are used to measure dry ingredients. A measuring jar is used to measure liquid ingredients. Kitchen scale provides more accuracy in measuring ingredients that usually measures in metric system. Thermometers. Oven thermometer is used to measure heat inside the oven. A candy thermometer is used to measure heat while preparing sugar syrups and caramel. A kitchen timer is used to measure the baking or cooking time of foods. Bakewares. A tube center pan has a hollow removable centers used in baking chiffon cakes. Muffin pan has 6 or more molded cups used for baking muffins and cupcakes easily and evenly. A jelly roll pan is a shallow rectangular pan used for baking rolls. Bandt pan is a round pan with scalloped sides used for baking special cakes. Cookie sheet is a thin, flat metal pan that has no or only shallow sides to bake a variety of baked products. Pie plate is a pan made of metal, glass, or ceramic with a slightly larger top part than its bottom. This is used to easily remove fruit-filled pastry products. Cutting tools. Biscuit and cookie cutter. Used to cut and shape biscuit and dough in different shapes and sizes. Pastry wheel is a round blade knife used to cut dough and seal edges of pastry products. Paring knife is used to cut fruits and vegetables into different sizes. Grater is a tool with perforations used to shred cheese, chocolates, and other fresh fruit ingredients. Kitchen shears, used for various cutting and trimming procedures. Mixing tools. Bowl. It is made of stainless steel or glass that comes in graduated sizes with sloping sides used to contain ingredients being mixed. Pastry blender is made of wires held attached to a handle used for cutting in shortening in the preparation of pies and biscuits. Rotary egg beater is used in manually beating eggs or whipping cream. Wire whisk is used to beat or whip egg, butter, sugar, and cream. Electric mixer is a baking equipment that allows fast and easy preparation of baking mixtures. Wooden spoon is also called mixing spoon that comes in various sizes that may be used for different types of mixing. Miscellaneous tools. Oven. It is one of the most important equipment in baking that is used not just for baking but also for drying and heating mixtures. Food processor is an equipment with blade inside used for chopping, slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing ingredients. Pastry bag is a funnel-shaped container with a pointed end used for designing baked products. Pastry tip is a pointed metal or plastic tube connected to the opening of the pastry bag used to form desired designs on baked products. Rolling pin is used to flatten or roll dough for rolls, crusts, and other baked products. Metal spatula is used to remove muffins and molded cookies from pans or used for icing or frosting cakes and pastries. Mortar and pestle, used to powder, pound, or crush various baking ingredients. Strainer or sifter is used in separating dirt and lumps from dry ingredients. It may also be used to combine and sift ingredients. Food tongs, used to hold baking ingredients and items. Parchment or baking paper, a grease-resistant, waterproof, and non-stick paper used in baking. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.